Hey guys, I just wanted to make a brief video for those of us that have not had a chance to check out the Darkest Dungeon official website, but they recently released a bunch of audio messages made by Wayne June, the narrator in the Darkest Dungeon, and they were designed for the streams. So whenever someone follows, donates, hosts your stream, subscribes, etc., there are actual voice lines for it. So I just real quick wanted to, give this a bit more exposure, show what you could do with it. I tinkered around with my alert box and made some pretty cool, well, at least I think they're pretty damn cool alerts. So I'm just going to go ahead and shut up now and show off most of what I have made so far. Whoa, sorry about that.
Our community grows. Welcome to the hamlet. Truly, this is the dankest dungeon.
You didn't mishear that. They actually got him to say a line where it says the dankest dungeon.
Truly, this is the dankest dungeon.
It's freaking awesome.
A generous bestowal. A gleaming endowment. A resplendent offering. A magnanimous dispensation.
I'm gonna edit the back image here once I'm done with this video for these donations.
Rank up, hold the line. This hamlet shall not fall. Rank up, hold the line. This hamlet shall not fall. Word of our community's acclaim spreads.
Alrighty, well, that's all I have so far. This just made my day. It was free. This was a huge surprise. Nobody saw this coming, and this is just another one of those things to just make RedHook Studios an amazing, well, group of people, I guess, or company. So that's that. If you guys want to check out the stream, which this is used on, of course, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. And the link to the sound files themselves and the original post, I'm going to head and put in the description below as well. So yeah, again, I just wanted to put exposure out to this, this, I don't know, resource, I guess. All right, thank you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.